Come on, Easy! Yay! You did it!
Alright, let's see what we got. I don't think this is actually emerald oak lettuce. I think that's grass. We'll just have to wait and see. I have a feeling I didn't get any of it. My collard greens and cabbages are doing good. Collards here, cabbages over here. This is a cinnamon basil that I got from my mother-in-law when we went and visited her and got Buster, which he went out one night and now he hasn't come back yet. Oh, that's a grass. There we go. But the onions and the okra and the basil's doing good. I might have a, nope, that's not a garlic chive. That's some kind of grass probably. But the cosmos and the calendulas are doing good. Wow! My pumpkins are coming up. And, oh, what are you? Just as flowers. Nothing's come up there yet. But then we have my cucumbers and my squash. They're doing good. Nothing on oregano yet. Lettuce and broccoli and eggplant and kale. They're all doing good. All the lettuces over here. They look good. And then we've got sweet peppers, and then these are tomatoes right up in here. More sweet peppers coming up. Some sage, parsley, maybe. Squash, sunflower seeds, wild onions, marigolds, peas, cucumbers. Is my carrots coming up? Maybe. My 2 juniper beets are coming up. 2 of them are coming up. Awesome. Then we got morning glories, nasturtiums, forget-me-nots, which that's a grass. Pansy, probably a grass. Don't know yet. Zinnias are coming up. And I have a cosmos coming up. Yay! Let's check up here. Nothing yet. Give it some more time. Whoa! My beans! The asparagus beans have already sprouted. These are vining beans, and I really wanted the vining beans. So now I know that those work. That's awesome. Alright. So, let's see what else. Beet. Trees are leafing out. That one, not yet, but they're starting to. Of course, the privets always leaf out first. Up there is the maples are leafing out. The oak is trying to. The other maple. We got some other stuff back here. But my favorite is this big old tree back here. Yeah, the stupid roosters escaped. Look at that tree. My big tree is starting to leaf out. Everything's looking green and beautiful. And let's go check on the goats. Alright, sidetrack on the goats for a minute. They ran away. But here's all my hens, my beauties. We got somebody over here laying an egg. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Vivian. Oh, wait, you're Violet, not Vivian. You're Vivian. The black and white one I'm calling Vivian. And there's Gertrude. So Miss Violet is over here laying an egg. Oh, and we have, I think, Lucy or Ethel over there laying an egg. No, not Lucy or Ethel? Yes, it is. It's not Phyllis. And over there is Henrietta. She's not laying eggs, so that's definitely Ethel. Yeah. Pretty birds. And here we have Barbara. Hi, Barbara. And Barney. Barbara and Barney, the Barred Rocks. Hi, Cocoats. Hi, Belle. Hi, Button. Hi, Sparkle. Hi, Romeo. Sparkle's been being mean to Romeo. But when his horns get a little bit harder, yeah, then he'll be headbutting her back and being mean to her, probably. Hi, Belle. Hi, sweetie. You chewing on that bark for me? Good girl. We don't want that bush, do we? No. Hi, Button girl. Sparkle. Hi, pretty hun. Hi, pretty hun. Hi, Button hun. Aw. Hi, pretty girl. I missed that face. There we go. There's my Button face. What'd you just get? You like close-ups, huh, Button? Hi, Belle. You like a close-up? Yeah. Button? You sweet girl. Wow, you're actually eating those too? Good job. Yeah. My 3 girls and my little buck. And maybe we'll be able to get some hay out of this for them, maybe. We'll see. There's my handsome boy, Bud. He's grown up so big. Next month, May 4th, he'll be a year old. Hard to believe that little puppy going up the stairs was him. But it was. Just curious if anybody happens to know what kind of tree or plant, tree this is. I have a feeling it's a dang privet too. Look at those little things on it. Okay, that one too probably. We probably accidentally got rid of the only fruit trees we had out here. I don't know. Did you come out in front of me? You say come out in front of me? Yeah. One tired girl. Yeah. Yeah, tired girl. You tired? You sleepy? Working all night, barking at coyotes. Yeah. So we have to go to town today and get some rabbit food and some things for us. And so we're taking you along possibly. Bink. There's the handsome.
Tonight, we make it a spaghetti. It's been a long, kind of frustrating days, guys. We're getting kind of wore out living, having to go from one place to another to cook dinner, wash dishes. We got to get our kitchen going. Just a roof over our kitchen will make a huge difference because it rained a lot of the day. Poor Debra's getting wore out. I'm truthfully a little wore out. Having to go back and forth to the barn and the storage RV, storage tent to keep the feed dry, dog food and some chicken food in there. Got goat food out in the barn. Yeah. Plants in the greenhouse are doing good. We just need this weather to clear up. Had tornadoes going on all around us. Part last night, today. But thankfully they went around us. And look at the beautiful sky now. There's some blue sky right up there. Yeah, pray for those who were impacted today because there were some tornadoes. We don't have anywhere to go. We don't have any kind of shelter if there's a tornado. I mean, we go to the creek bed, that's about it. So all that plastic blew off the Bertha fifth wheel there. Big Bertha or whatever it is. We haven't picked it up yet. We're just exhausted. Just from taking care of the animals. We had to go into town to get rabbit feed today, and that took half the day. Town's a long ways. We need to get back over and help the neighbors with their garden. I need to get back over and help other neighbors with a barn build. What's that, hon?
I did the greenhouse earlier.
Yeah, I know. She did the greenhouse earlier, she says. But yeah, it's just... I'm a dummy because Jessie was out with Arkansas Micro Farm and she put up all of our roosters for us, and I felt bad for them and let them out. And now they're pooping on the slab, the house slab again, so we got to watch where we step. You can imagine it's a little nasty. We don't want to be tracking bird poop into our house, and really we shouldn't have them out loose right now. But we'll be getting those put back up. Anyways, I wanted to show you how pretty it is out this afternoon after all the storming. Leaves are starting to come back on the trees. Either going to have to mow or move these goats around more. We got 5 goats now. 4. Oh yeah. She says 4 goats. She's always correcting me. Anyways, there's the goats out there. And we definitely got to get where we sell some rabbits next weekend. Easter weekend, prime time for selling rabbits. Look at the green on the top of that tree coming in. Anyways, a little at a time. We appreciate contributions that came in from a couple of you, folks. We appreciate that. Our PayPal is in the description or whatever, I think. Man, we might have to come up with a plan, y'all. I'm thinking maybe a a metal parking building over this slab here. You know, just like a carport, one of those carport things that could be put up really quick. But alternatively, we have all this lumber that's from a kind of a commercial greenhouse that we bought and had deconstructed and brought here, and we got a bunch of lumber from that, and we got a bunch of lumber left over from stuff we bought from some of the local sawmills. We got more than this, probably 5 or 6 times more than what you see right here. And of course we got a ton of tin over there. Some of the pieces remain straight, somewhat straight. Maybe we could straighten them out and use them. We've got more stuff that we got from Bobblehead Homestead, Jeff. Man, if it weren't for Drew and Lindsay and all the people that came out and helped us clean this up, we wouldn't be this well off. So we are very grateful. People who contributed things and money, man, we wouldn't still be here if it wasn't for that. So we're going to keep on keeping on. Love you guys. God bless. Bink. Yum. Took a lot of work to make that. Spaghetti's supposed to be easy, but when you have to go in between buildings to get this and that, and then go into the shed to make toast. Yeah, we made some Texas cheesy toast. We saw Lindsay of Drew and Lindsay Dutch Creek Cabin Homestead at the grocery store, and she had some Texas toast, cheesy Texas toast, and we just says, oh, we got to get some of that too. Anyways, we're going to eat this up. Ooh, I don't want Debra to see that I've already been eating some. She's in there heating up some mushrooms. Put it back. Put it back. You got the mushrooms?
Yes, they're heated.
You bring in the mushrooms?
Yeah.
I didn't eat any.
I don't care if you did. I would shoot this thing's off. Okay.
By the way, this wonderful meal, including mushrooms, is thanks to sea lions. Sponsored by sea lions. Oh, look at the mushrooms. I haven't been eating it all while you were gone.
I don't care.
Oh, come on. A little drama. Yum, look at the mushrooms. All right, you probably save like at least half of that for what we're going to do for leftovers, because we're eating this again to Murray.
Put this over here and my fork here.
Yep, we're both just going to eat off the same plate with a little bowl on the side to kind of help catch any wanderers. And yum. Thank you, sea lions. All right. A little addendum here. Addendum? Appendum? Appendix? Addendum? I don't know. Anyways, some of you might find this weird. I need a clean fork. Yeah. Some of you, not that. You wouldn't find that weird that Debra would tell me, use a clean fork. But this. Da, 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 da. What's the perfect topping for sketties? Yeah. Have you ever tried green olives in your sketty? I'm telling you, it's freaking great. Especially if you do sausage sketty. This here is just ground turkey sketty. But yes, That just adds a little zing to your sketty. Especially if you like Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese or something on there. Ooh.
This is 5 cheese bread.
Texas toast. Thank you, Lindsay, for the idea. We weren't even thinking of a 5 cheese toast.
We weren't thinking spaghetti. I wasn't thinking spaghetti.
Oh, I was. I don't know. I just been in the mood for sketties. Oh, glory be. That's probably good enough for now. Thank you, dear.
You're welcome.
And thank you again to Sea Lion. Sea Lions? Sea Lion. Plural or non-plural?
I'll have to look. I can't remember off the top of my head. My arm hurts right now.
Oh, poor baby. Let's eat.
Mm-hmm.
God bless you guys. See you next time. Leftover skitty. Tribute to Dogman. That's at least 2 more meals worth of spaghetti. Thank you, Sea Lion. Or Sea Lions. Or Sea Lion. Sea Lions. Sea Lions. Thank you so much.
Come on. Oh, there we go.
You called Button a button face.
Well, she's my little button, and I saw her face. It was my button's face. I just dropped off the S, is all.
That's very close to Butthead.
Or butt face.
Butthead Homestead. Some exciting development. A recent acquisition that we thought we had lost has reappeared. Hey, Buster! Meow! It appears that he loves hunting so much that he doesn't want to go back inside. Hey, Buster! Hey, buddy! Yeah, you didn't run off. You just like hunting a lot. Hey, Buster!
Take her to her.
You want to go see her?
That or he wants Buster.
Okay, Buster. Have you seen?
Hold on, let's see if he'll come in with y'all. Hold on. Should we go back to the RV?
Woof!
Buster. Okay, I see your feet. Did the doggers pounce you? Did the doggers pounce you? Is that what happened?
Buster. He doesn't seem afraid of the dogs at all.
He just doesn't want them to. Oh, he's about to try to come out and snuggle. He's wait, too many at once. The light's not bothering him.
I knew we heard him meowing.